What's going on, everybody? Hope all is well. So, in today's video, I want to talk about the IPower indoor heating seed starter kit. Uh, it says the dimensions right there. I already unboxed it. My mother-in-law got it for me for Christmas. So today is December 26th. I'm not sure when I'm going to post it, but I just wanted to give you guys the day that I got it, and it's already unboxed. So, um, everything is here. You get the dome, you get the tray, you get the heater. The heater's built in. Um, so, this is what it looks like right here, already put together. This is just the vent to keep some heat in, how much you want the heat to come out, if you want to keep it fully closed or somewhat closed. So that's pretty cool. And then you get the dome here, and then you get the tray. It's 24 cell. So what I'm going to do is I already got some seeds picked out that I'm going to plant. This is kind of an unboxing video, and then I'll show you the seeds that I'm going to plant. I think I'm going to get a little light for it as well, just to have the net or some light until I can find a spot that can get full sun or some sun from the window. And then, like I said, this is the tray, and then here's the built-in heaters right underneath here. So like I said, when I make the video of planting, and then I'll do a follow-up video after everything's done and give you the progress on it. And then here's the cord. It's already built in, like I said. So I didn't really find any videos on YouTube about it, so it's kind of learn as I grow type thing with this. This is my first ever starting kit. All my seeds I pretty much just put in pots and let them outside and let the nature do it. But I know some seeds need to be grown indoors and then transplanted outside after the last frost date. So I'm pretty excited about this. This will be the first time of me doing it, and if it goes decent, I'll try and get some more in the future and really let this thing take off. So I'm excited. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing of what everything looked like, what it came with, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope everybody had a great holiday, and have a great New Year's as well. So I'll see you guys later.